Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Jrebuilds. This is part 3 of the Scion rebuild. As you guys can see on this video, I am grinding down the old spot welds, as you can see. Getting it ready to install the LKQ rear body. And then I am going to spray some weld through primer. And then install the rear body. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Ron, the Captain Ron. He is known as Buff and Stuff. Huge shout out for the support, and a huge shout out to my boy Christian. He is another body tech at work, and a huge shout out to Big Luigi. He is the parts department guy. He's pretty cool. Enjoy the video, guys. So right here, I installed the reinforcement observer, the bumper, and the lights. And as you guys can see, everything lined up good. The lights need to be a little adjusted, but that would be the final touch. I just wanted to make sure everything fit as it should. And as you guys could see, it came out beautiful. So now I gotta get it ready for paint.
Perfect. Perfect.